Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning, with efforts extending towards students, teachers, and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hi children, how are you all? Fine, no? Okay. In previous class, you learned Hindi Varnamala to O. Yes, no? Okay. Can we repeat that, children? How should we write, children, Hindi letters? In Hindi, we are using 3 lines now. In that lines only we should write. Okay? Shall we repeat, children? से अनार, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से ईख, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन. ओके. अ से अनार, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से ईख, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन. Okay. Today I will continue the letters. Okay, children. O after which letter will come, children? Tell me. Yeah. O after Ru. R से ऋषि. R से ऋषि. Who is this? ऋषि. R से ऋषि. Yeah. Okay. What they are doing, children? ऋषि? Yeah, they are sitting like this. No? Holding their hands like this. And they are doing japa. They are telling mantras and all. Yes, no? Yeah. Then they are wearing Rudrakshimala. Yeah. Okay. Ru say Rishi. Next. The next letter is what, children? A. Which letter? A. A. This is A. You should tell A. Okay. A say what is this, children? Which number it is? Which number? Yeah, 1. In Hindi? 8. A say 8. Okay. A say 8. Next. One more. A say X-ray. X-ray. Have you seen X-ray, children? In where does X-ray will use, children? In hospital. In hospital and all, X-ray will use it. Yes, no? For what purpose X-ray will use, children? For what purpose X-ray will be used? Yeah. If somebody get hurt or get fracture means, if somebody get hurt, they get fracture means the doctors will suggest the X-ray. Yes, no, children? Yeah. That time in hospital they are doing X-ray. So be careful, children, while going and coming time. Don't run. Okay? Slowly walk and go, children. Every time don't run which place also. Every time you all running, no? So don't run, children. Go by walk, slowly walk and come, okay? Next, A say X-ray, A say AD. AD. See, children, what is this? AD. AD means himmadi. Okay, heel. In Kannada, himmadi. Okay, A say AD. R say Rishi. A say egg. A say X-ray. A say AD. Okay. Next letter is which letter is this, children? I. I. Which letter is that? I. I say, what is this? What is this? Tell me. I say Airavat. I say Airavat. Airavat means what, children? Airavat means elephant. Elephant. Elephant is big, no? Elephant. Airavat means elephant. I say, what is this? What is this, children? Chashma. Yeah. What is that? Specs. Ainak. What is this? What is that? Ainak. I say Ainak. Okay. I say Airavat. I say Ainak. Specs. Okay. Shall we repeat once again, children? These letters. See, children. R say Rishi. Repeat with me, children. R say Rishi. A say AD. A say egg. Then A say X-ray. I say Airavat. I say Aina. Okay? Okay, children? Okay. Can we repeat these all letters? Okay? A say Anar. A say Aam. E say Imli. E say Eid. U say Ullu. U say Un. R say Rishi. A say Ek. I say Aina. Okay? Did you understand, children? Letters with objects. Okay. Now what you have to do? Yeah. You have to take your notebook. You have to take the notebook and you should write these letters and you should practice it. Okay, children? Okay. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye, children. Thank you.